Myself Shashank sir. Today I will discuss some basic problem related to exponent and power, and these questions are given in your NCERT book, that is chapter 12. So let us discuss the basic first question. Suppose we have 3 raised to the power 0 plus 4 raised to the power minus 1 multiplied by 2 raised to the power 2. We have to solve this question. So first, what will be the result of 3 raised to the power 0? We know that 8 raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. Any rational number having power 0 will be equal to 1. So 3 raised to the power 0 will be 1 plus 8 raised to the power minus 1 is equal to 1 by 8. We know all that. We know that 8 raised to the power minus 1 will be 1 by 8. So here it will be 1 by 4 into 2 raised to the power 2. Next step, we will take the LCM of these two numbers, that is 4. 1 4 is 4, 4 1 is 4 plus 1 into 2 raised to the power 2, that is 5 by 4 into 2 raised to the power 2. When you solve this 2 raised to the power 2, it will be 4. It will be 5 by 4 into 4. Eliminating this 2 4, we will get 5 as the answer. So this is the very first questions of exercise 12 in NCERT book, Exponent and Power. So we have used two laws related to exponent over here in this question. A raised to the power which is equal to 1 and A raised to the power minus 1 which is equal to 1 by A. Now let us see another example. Let us see another example. 2 raised to the power minus 1 into 4 raised to the power minus 1 divided by 2 raised to the power minus 2. 2 raised to the power minus 2. What we get here? 1 by 2 into 1 by 4 divided by 1 by 2 square. Because we know that A raised to the power minus m is equal to 1 by A raised to the power m. We all know that A raised to the power minus m is equal to 1 by A raised to the power m. So what we get here? 1 by 8 divided by 1 by 4. 1 by 8 divided by 1 by 4. Now let us solve this one. 1 by 8 into 4 by 1. 4 by 1. Now eliminate this 2, this 8 and 4. 4 to 8 and we will get 1 by 2 as my answer. 1 by 2 as my answer. So in this example we have studied the basic rule, that is A raised to the power m is equal to 1 by A raised to the power m. Now let us see another example, very important. Suppose we have 1 by 2 raised to the power minus 2 plus 1 by 3 raised to the power minus 2 plus 1 by 4 raised to the power minus 2. What we have studied earlier, A raised to the power minus m is equal to 1 by A raised to the power m. So this theorem or this formula will be used over here. So we will get 2 raised to the power 2 plus 3 raised to the power 2 plus 4 raised to the power 2. Here the negative signs will be eliminated because we have just made the reciprocal of 1 by 2. So this will be 2 2 is 4, 3 3 is 9 and 4 4 is 16 and the result will be 29. Result will be 29. The same formula what we have used here. A raised to the power m is equal to 1 by A raised to the power m. Now let us see another example. Let us see another example given in your NCERT book. Given in your NCERT book, which is 3 raised to the power minus 1 plus 4 raised to the power minus 1 plus 5 raised to the power minus 1 whole raised to the power 0. Whole raised to the power 0. Here we will use two theorems. First one is a raised to the power of minus 1 is equal to 1 by a, and a raised to the power is equal to 1. Here we will use two theorem. First, just remove this minus sign. The power should be positive. Here we make the power positive. 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5 whole raised to the power 0. Whatever the result will come, but ultimate power should be 0. Here the ultimate power will be 0. So our answer will be 1. Our answer will be 1. It is not need to solve this bracket number. This bracket number should not be solved out, because we know that any number having the power will be equal to 1. So this is very important question. Now let us see one another example. That is minus 2 by 3 whole raised to the power to minus 2 whole raised to the power 2. So here we will use a theorem or formula. A raised to the power m raised to the power n is equal to a raised to the power m into n. We know that a raised to the power m whole raised to the power n, the result will be a raised to the power m into m. Now using that theorem over here, what will we get? Minus 2 by 3 whole raised to the power minus 2 into 2. Minus 2 into 2. So what we will get? Minus 2 by 3 whole power minus 4. So the power is in negative sign. Here the power is in negative sign, and we know that a raised to the power minus m is equal to 1 by a raised to the power m. We know that a raised to the power minus m is equal to 1 by a raised to the power m. So what we get here? 3 by minus 2 whole to the power 4. The power became positive over here. Now doing like that, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 by 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. So what we will get? The result will be 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27, 27 3 is 81 by 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 8 2 is 16. Here the result will be positive 16, because minus into minus is equal to plus, plus into minus is equal to minus, and again minus into minus will be plus. So the final result will be 81 by 16. 81 by 16. This is also important questions in your NCERT book. Now let us see another example, another question. Suppose we have 8 raised to the power minus 1 into 5 raised to the power 3 by 2 raised to the power minus 4. You have to solve this. Now what will we get? 2 raised to the power 3 whole raised to the power minus 1 into 5 raised to the power 3 by 2 raised to the power minus 1. Just resolve 8 as 2 raised to the power 3. So what we get here? 2 raised to the power minus 3 by 2 raised to the power minus 4 into 5 raised to the power 3. 2 raised to the power minus 3 divided by 2 raised to the power minus 4 into 5 raised to the power 3. Again using a raised to the power m by a raised to the power n is equal to a raised to the power m minus n. So it will be minus 3 minus 4 into 5 to the power 3. Again it will be 2 minus 3 plus 4 into 5 raised to the power 3. So what will we get? 2 raised to the power 1 into 5 raised to the power 3. So next step will be 2 into 125, that is 250. So this is the final result of this equation. This is the final result of this equation. So that's all from today's class, and the next day we will discuss more things. Thank you.